Hi everybody, this is Wendy at The Broken Needle and welcome to part 4 of our series on quilting with rulers. If you've missed any of the other videos, the links are in the description below.
Today we're going to play with the Westalee Heart template set in increments from 1 inch to 6 inches. Once again, we line up the mark on the ruler with the mark that we make. Make sure to bring the bobbin thread up first and begin to sew. Slow and steady wins the race. Move along at your own speed and stop if you feel the need. I'm going to sew around this curve and then stop when I get to the end. Bingo! With one half of the heart complete, now I just flip to the other side. Making sure I'm lined up here at the bottom, I'm going to start to sew around just as we did the first time. Remember to sew at your own pace, and if you feel like stopping on each curve, you can do so. Almost there. And ta-da! With one heart complete, I think I'll do another one. These are so simple. Going around the curve and boink in the middle. Time to flip to the other side. Remember to hold slight pressure up against the presser foot and just go around, back down to the point of the heart. Simple, simple, simple. Ta-da! A heart within a heart.